Hello everyone, on behalf of BVPIEEE, today I am going to teach you about ultrasonic sensors. So an ultrasonic sensor is an electronic device used to measure distance of objects. So the sensor is HCSR04 and here are some specifications. So let me explain you the working of ultrasonic sensor. So it has two major components, transmitter and receiver. The transmitter emits the ultrasonic waves and then the waves strike an object and then so when the trigger signal goes on high, it emits ultrasonic waves, and as soon as it goes back to low, the echo signal goes on high, and this measures the time taken by the ultrasonic waves to travel from the transmitter and then back to receiver. Then the trigger pin, this is an output pin, it emits, when on high voltage it emits ultrasonic waves. This is the echo pin. It is an input pin. It is on high voltage and stays on high till the ultrasonic wave travels back to the sensor. And the last one is a ground pin. Let me show you how the connections are made. This is an Arduino Uno. Here is the 5 volt pin and then next to it are two ground pins labeled as G and D. Then we have here many digital pins. We can use any two of them. And the D written over here stands for transmitter. Then we have 4 R pins and this is the receiver. A breadboard to make connections. The vertical terminals of the breadboard are connected together. This is a male to male jumper wire. Here it is connected. Now I will connect jumper wires to all 4 terminals. Then put it back. Now let me connect the VCC terminal to the 5 volt terminal of Arduino Uno. Now let me connect the ground pin of Arduino Uno. For now I will connect the trigger pin to 11th digital pin and the echo pin to the 10th digital pin. And this is the code for the sensor to work. In the first 2 lines I have defined trig as 11 and echo as 10. So I will use many times in the code, so it's better to define them. In the third line I have defined 2 decimal variables, duration and distance. In the void setup, using the pin mode command, I have declared the trig as an output pin and echo as an input pin. And then the serial.begin command is used to activate the serial monitor. The serial monitor can be used to print out information that is calculated using the different sensors. Here in the void loop, first we will put the trigger pin on low for 2 microseconds. 13 and 14 line shows that ultrasonic sensor will emit ultrasonic waves for about 10 microseconds. Then we will assign the duration variable to the pulse in function. The pulse in function here calculates the amount of time the echo pin stays on high. Then finally we will calculate the distance. So here the time is duration and it's in microseconds, and we will multiply this by the speed of sound. The duration is for the round trip, therefore we need to divide it by 2. So it says done compiling, which means there is no error in the code.
With this we end our today's session. Please like and share our videos, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.